Good day everyone. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped last week. Last week we talked about the definition of computer component, and how computer works under general computing. So today is lecture 2, that is the second lecture in this our free online general computing organized by Salah Rahim under No Big Deal platform. The aims and objective of today's lecture is files, file extension, and file extensions example. So what is a file? A file is known as a container in the computer system which stores information. A file in real life scenario, a file is a bag, just like a bag that we keep in things. So we create a file in any of our directories to group all our latest files. So in a simple sense, a file is where we keep documents, pictures in group. Those are the latest documents that we keep in one folder to make it easy for us to access and for referencing later. So before I move to common example of file extension, well, what is a file extension? A file extension is the prefix attached to a file. The prefix, that's the 3 letters attached to a file that we use to identify what kind of file is that. Whether our document is Microsoft document, is it PDF document, is it picture document. So file extensions allows us to know, and so that we can be able to open it with a specified software that is meant to use. So we have common file extensions. We'll be discussing like 5 common example of file extension here. We have JPEG. The full meaning of JPEG is Joint Photographic Expert. This file extension, it is used by most camera to store photos. That's the common file extension for photos. When you snap a picture, you will see it will be changed as it will be, the file extension there will be JPEG. That is the extension file we use to identify pictures. We have TIFFs. The full meaning of TIFFs is tagged image file format. Tagged image file format. It is used in photo editing on the software. TIFF is commonly used by printing press on a large format machine. If if you are working in a printing press, for you to be able to print on that large format of machine, you have to convert it to TIFF. That is the format the software understand. Then we have PNG, Portable Network Graphics. It can be used to save image with transparent background, which is used for designing and marketing projects. We have GIF, GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. It is used in the web environment because of the limited range of color. When you are uploading a file in your website, you can use GIF, though we can equally use some other format of picture like JPEG, TIFF, and the rest, but the most recommended one is GIF. Then we have the next one, EPS, Encapsulated PostScript. Encapsulated PostScript, it is used in designing a logo or clothing design, and it can also be used in displaying image on web also. We have another one which is SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics. These vector graphics, they are responsible for web design along with the use of EFS file. We also have AI. They are used to generate vector-based image. We have PDFs, that are portable files. That's Photoshop files uses layer to generate photo or graphics in order to help understand how does original design files works. We also have PDF, portable document format. It is used in reviewing documents and graphics on any device, application, web browser, or operating system. Any file that you convert to PDF, you need more other softwares to be able to change it back to editable files. PDF is not easy direct editable. So these are the common files. We still have some other common file extension like EXE for Excel. We have DOC for document. DOCX is also for document also. We have MP3, MP4, those are the video version, and the audio version or file extension. So, working with folders. How do we create a folders? If you are asked to create a folders on your desktop so that you can start keeping documents inside it, you go to your desktop, right click, then locate new folders. rename it with your favorite name. Then you can start putting your other files inside it. In folder, we can rename, we can delete, we can edit. But the major thing we use folder for is to keep our files, all our files inside it for further referencing and for easy access. So today we are not going to take much of our time. Our main objective has been achieved, to discuss what a file is, file extension, and example. Why we must learn file extension is to know the kind of file and the software we need to open it with. When your file extension is JPEG, if you are opening it with MS Word, it will be giving you error. So that is the extent of file extension. So thank you. Till we'll meet next lecture on MS Word. We'll be learning how to type, how to format, how to design in this place. See you next lecture. Thank you.